Lot number 102 is a 2003 Bluebird All-American 72 passenger school bus. This one was missing the batteries. I put in our batteries to perform our inspection, and after putting the batteries, it started right up. I turned the key, it cranked right up, but about a minute after, I noticed that it was leaking oil, a lot of oil. It leaked it all out right there. So I shut it off. It didn't run for a full minute. I shut it off and I left the batteries in here because I'm gonna go ahead and start it just for a second or two, just so that you can hear it. Let's see if that works. Look at where the oil's coming from. It's coming from the bottom. I don't know what's supposed to be there, but it's gushing it out. I'm not gonna start it again, but I did want you to hear that the bus starts. The motor sounds good. Started right up. It did leak out all the oil. This bus will need to be towed out of here. Missing all 3 batteries. The body is straight. It's got minor dents and scratches all around. Passenger side shows some dings along the bottom. Rear corners look pretty good. Driver's side has some dents along the bottom. The paint is faded, looks moldy. All tires appear to be holding air. Emergency door here is dented. ACs are on, so the ACs may be working. It does have the 2 compressors and a belt. It's a shame it leaked out all the oil. Interior shows normal wear and tear. Appears to be complete. The driver's seat is not torn. It's got all the seats, and again, they show normal wear and tear. Both AC units. Let me show you the miles. 115,000 miles. Seat looks good, steering wheel looks moldy, and that's it. This one needs to be towed out of here. It's lot number 102. It's an All-American. It's a Bluebird All-American 72 passenger school bus. It leaked out all the oil. Lot 102. Good luck.